Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. So to enable or disable spatial audio we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options for your phone, you can check a video at this channel. We have it just for a device or on HardReset.Info channel. Now, once you enable these options, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down, click at the system, and in the system we have developer options. Right here you have two options, or you just scroll down and you need to find HD audio, but you can also use right here, by the way we have it, but you can also use the search and you can write HD right here, and here is HD audio, what located in the developer options. So you can tap at this line also, and right here I have HD audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Once you enable HD audio, you can now switch between Bluetooth audio codecs. But if you want to disable HD audio, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. Once you disable HD audio, you will now use SBC Bluetooth audio codec. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!